Hey everyone, happy Tuesday. It is such a busy day today at Stampin' Up! And for Crafting with Holly because there is so many fun new crafting products that became available today. So I thought I would just jump on here live and actually go through and share with you some of the products that became available today. And specifically for those of you that are scrapbookers, we have this amazing scrapbooking brochure. And if you joined my email list a couple of days ago, or if you are on my email list, you got a PDF file link that you can actually download this, and it will show you all of the beautiful two-tone cardstocks that have become available, the ones that are still available, and then the brand new Wildflower Celebrations scrapbooking workshop that just became available, along with the pattern DSP and the sticker sheet. I'm not going to go through this entire PDF, but it's amazing and it truly is geared towards scrapbookers. So I would encourage you to check it out. Message me privately and I can send you a link to that. Also, the mini catalog just became available. This launched today and it goes through the end of April. And oh my goodness, have they hit it out of the ballpark with some beautiful, beautiful scrapbooking products, card making products, and paper crafting products. So I would encourage you to check this out. There's also a link that you can go and look at this on my website. I'll make sure that I put that in the comments down below. And for those of you that placed an order with me this past year in 2024, I sent you a copy of this for free. How exciting. So I hope you received your free copy. And there's just so many amazing products in here. I could just stand here for hours and just show you all of these gorgeous products, but I'll not bore you. I'm sure many of you have already seen this if you've gotten your hands on the catalog. But oh my goodness, there's just so many beautiful products. So I can't wait to dive into that each week and share more and more with you. There are also 3 brand new kits that just became available today. And then there's a whole slew of online exclusive products that became available as well. But this I want to share and talk to you about now is the Sale-A-Bration. And this is Stampin' Up's largest sale of the year. And this little booklet walks you through all of the products that you can actually earn for free when you spend a minimum of $60. And so there is this stamp set right here that is perfect for scrapbooking. In fact, I can't wait to share with you the scrapbook that I just made with this set. It was so quick and easy. So that's one of the stamps, and it's a photopolymer stamp that you can get. And then there is this really adorable rainbow celebration kit, and it's one of the card kits. I'm actually going to help you put together all 3 of those and just show you how quick and easy these are in just a minute. And then this is a DSP that you can get for free. And I have it right here so that you can actually see all of these amazing colors. And you get quite a few different patterns, and they're reversible, which is something that I love about their DSP. And these are the 6x6, so they'll work great on cards as well as little mini craft projects. Look at how beautiful the back sides of these are. But I just love all the bright colors and hues. And then when you flip them over, look at these other patterns. Let me get this little card out of the way so you can see that last pattern. But oh my goodness, look at how beautiful these are. So there's just so many ideas and endless craft projects that you can do with it. And again, it's 48 sheets of 6x6 DSP. Again, it's one of the items that you can get with a $60 order. And then over here, there's this cute, adorable seagulls, friendly seagulls. Look at how fun. I love this one. I love you more than French fries. Like, that is going to be perfect to send to my kids because it's so true. And Then there's this celebration set called Day to Celebrate. Again, just some really great ideas in here. And then look at this embossing folder. This is another one that you can pick as a free item with a $60 purchase. And then look at the amazing toadstool gardens. So here's that DSP right here. Again, you get such a substantial amount of them, and then they are reversible. So some really great patterns on the reverse side. I love the stripe, love the wood grain. Another really fantastic stripe. And look at those. So again, this is another option that you can choose with a $60 purchase. And then not only do they have that available, but then they also have this amazing kind of really fun, it's a freesia color seam binding ribbon, and it's got kind of crinkles in it. So I really like that. So I had to pick that one out too. And then, oh my goodness, this is 12 by 12 designer series paper. And look at this, you guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. You get 2 sheets each of all of these different patterns. And again, they are reversible. So you can kind of see here what the back sides look like. I love there's ombre, just really beautiful. And these are full 12 by 12. So I cannot wait to make some scrapbooking pages with these. These are going to be really fun, so bright and cheery to use. And then also on this page, you will notice that there are these really fun purple adhesive back sequins. That's also another item that you can pick as a freebie. The Dance With Me is a photopolymer set. I did not get that one. So many awesome ones to choose from. And then if you spend $120, let me share with you, there are 2 separate options for you to get. One of them is this heart-shaped bundle. So you'll get this stamp set and the coordinating die. And let's just open this up so you can see what the dies look like. I am a sucker for the Stampin' Up! Dies. They are always so substantial and they work so great with their stamps. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that set is. I love this bracket. You get some flowers and some coordinating leaves. Something for the cluster of these little flowers right here, a single flower, and then I love this beautiful wreath. And it looks like it may even pair well with the actual stamp. So this is going to be a really great set. And I love the examples that they use here in this little brochure. And then this is the other one. It's the Corner Blooms, and it's a photopolymer set. Again, that is an option with a $20 purchase. And if that wasn't enough, it is a great time to join Stampin' Up! And my team. And there are 2 separate options that you can choose from when you decide to join as a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And the first one is this whole bundle. You'll get 2 separate markers and this stamp set. It's a $91 value. The kit is $125 worth of product, but you're only going to pay $99. You get to pick anything that you want for $125, plus you're going to get this option. If you don't want this option, you could just pick another $30 in free product. What's so amazing about joining Stampin' Up! As well, not only are you getting a kit for 99 bucks, which comes to like almost $217 worth of crafty goodness, there is no shipping on these products. So you're basically paying the $99 plus your tax, and you're getting all of this for free. So drop a comment down below if you'd like to have some more information. I would be happy to reach out to you personally and just share with you. There are no strings attached. Honestly, like I have people on my team that just like to get the discount to enjoy a discount. Think of it as truly a hobby. And then I have some that have it on the side of their normal job, and we like to call it a jobby. And they're just getting a little extra money to pay for their supplies, and they're having a lot of fun. And it's a great crafting community that we have out there. So we'd love to have you be a part of it. And that is that. Last but not least, I want to share with you a really fun card workshop that I created using the paper that you can get for free in and during Sale-A-Bration. And then I added the terrific toadstool stamp and punch that you can get in a bundle right now because it did go on sale. And it's in here, right here on page 53. You can get it as a bundle for 10% off. And anytime you place an order of $60 or more in the month of January, you will get this card workshop PDF file from me as my gift to you. And it will walk you through how to stamp and put all of these beautiful cards together. And I think that was it. So anyway, have a great day, you guys. For those of you that are popping in and joining me, thank you so much for joining me today. And have a wonderful day. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. I am so sorry, you guys. I've gotten a little ahead of myself. I wanted to actually walk you through in the Sale-A-Bration catalog, one of the items that you can get as your free reward with a $60 purchase is this amazing rainbow card celebration kit. And you get literally everything that you need to make 6 cards, 2 each of 3 different designs. They are so cute. They're so bright, so cheery. You don't need anything but the supplies that are in here, and you are going to be able to make these cards so quickly. So these are what they look like when they're done. And you get the coordinating envelopes that are so cute. I love the little clouds that are inside there. And I just want to show you how quickly they are to put together. You just take the instructions that come already inside the package. There's no box, which is nice. And let me just put this over here so you can see this. We'll get these out of the way. We'll do one at a time. These are the punch outs that you're going to just quickly punch out from the carrier sheets. They give you a lot of these dimensionals. And then I love how they tell you exactly where to put the dimensionals on here. So these are going to go right here in the middle. You only need 2 of them on the little phrase, happy birthday. And then on the, whoops, I don't think this one is the cheers. Oh no, it is cheers. Okay, it just looks a little different when it's upside down and backwards. Okay, and then you're going to take some dimensionals. We're going to put one right up here at the top of the rainbow, one over here on the side, and one right here, and then just 2 more. I love these dimensionals. They just add that little extra pop to your projects. Okay, I'm going to turn these over now. Pull off the little backings here. If you have your little pickup tool, this tool is so brilliant, you guys. Look at how much easier it is to rip off the backing of those. And then here is this cute little rainbow. We're going to just pop it right onto the front of the card just like that. Grab my little take your pick tool. Thank you, Jenny, for reminding me how to properly call it. We're going to just stagger that little rainbow cloud. And then I'm going to just take those little guys, put my cheers, as you can see right here. It's going to kind of come across just like this. And then I'm going to grab that take your pick tool again and grab off the rest of those. And then this just comes right down here across the front. Look at how cute that is. Such a cute and easy card to make. Okay, so that's number 1. I'll put that one off to the side. The next one is the Hooray, It's Your Day. And we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to take those little pieces. This is what the finished one looks like. Super cute. Let me flip this over. So much pressure when you are trying to do this live. So much easier when you're not. So thank you for your grace as I'm kind of fumbling around trying to put this together. There's that little guy. One more. And I'm going to grab my little take your pick tool and just grab those backings. Such a great tool. If you do not have this, you definitely are going to want it. And then this little guy is just going to go right there, just like that. And then we're going to add some dimensionals on the end. One in the middle and one on the end here. Again, just take your pick tool and just kind of push and release. And then we're going to add this right down here at the bottom. And then add our sentiment, yay. This one's going to kind of come across just like that. And then I am going to put 2 of these right here in the middle. Again, take your pick tool, press and release, and that's going to go just like that. Isn't he so cute? Love that. Okay, one last one. And I love how all the instructions are clearly defined on how to put these together. This one is super cute. Love these colors, great as a masculine birthday card. I have a nephew that is going to have a birthday at the end of the month. This will be perfect to send to him. And these just come together so quickly. Love quick and easy cards. How about you? And it makes it so much easier when you have the right tools when you're crafting as well. Okay, so that one's going to go there. We just need to add a couple of dimensionals to the clouds, and we're going to put them a little bit higher up this time. Grab my take your pick tool. And this is going to go right down here. Just like that. And then I'm going to grab, oops, these little guys. Oops, that one came off a lot easier. And just attach those just like that. And then grab that tool. Oops. And then hooray, that's right, this is going to kind of straddle this right like that. And then Let's Celebrate is going to come right there and go across. And that's it. Some super fun and easy cards. And who doesn't love getting something for free? And these are super fun and adorable and quick. So again, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful rest of your day and happy celebration.